Focus! And it did. Will it focus now though? Will it focus now? Will it focus now? Yeah, it does. Today, it's a new day. And breakfast is ready. Oh, wait for this. Jimmy's tip of the day. If you get a cheese scone and it's a bit hard, it's a bit stodgy, doesn't look as good, bang it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Fresh. My plans for today is, because I was in the festive and the giving mood yesterday with the giveaway, I'm going to go and treat someone else today. I'm going to go and treat my car. I'm going to see if I can try and get 2 tyres. I need 1. Well, I don't need it, but I want to get 1. But if I can get 2, I get 2 tyres. I need a registration light bulb. And give it all nice clean and make it all nice and sparkly, because Kai, you deserve it. Right, let's get them 2 put on. Needs a freaking good clean, I can tell you that. Well, my pads are alright. Obviously I wanted to check last night when I was coming back. So everything's fine. Look at that though. Whoop. And that's the next one getting done. So I've got new tyre on that one, new tyre on that one, and a new tyre on that one. So my next payday, next Friday, I'm going to get that one done. And that's 4 brand new tyres on the car, ready for winter. Well, I have knocked. No one's answered. I know they're in, I need them. Here they come. Here they come. Oh. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. I know these are in because I'm in the first door. And that normally lock if they're out. I don't think they'll be in the garden. I feel like I can hear them. Right, let's go and check the garden. Watch them freaking coming onto the door now. No. No. There. There they are. Look at this. New positions. I'm just... Oh, starts first time. Starts like a treat. Grandma, are you listening to? I'm literally moving my grandma's car out the way, and I'm putting my belt on as well because, you know, it's different to drive. Move my grandma's car out the way so I can put my car on, so I can put my light bulb in, my registration bulb, and also my wiper blades, because it is windy as hell. And where I'm parked the car here, it's like it's in a nice little area away from the wind, so at least that way there, I'm taking the car for a little drive. It's getting it out. It's getting it out. It's getting the... Come on, gallop! Oh, I fell over! Oh no! Oh, we're back. Haha, we're back. Yeah. I used to have one of these. Nissan Micra, X-Reg, little Kermy. It's 1 litre engine. It used to be, oh, it was brilliant. Did it up, got alloys on it, tinted windows. What else did I do? A sun visor strip, which grandma you need. You need a sun visor strip along here because it's bright. It's bright. A little exhaust tip not a full exhaust, but just a little exhaust tip. Oh, done. Put black lines on the lights in the rear to make it look sporty. Got 16 valve badges put on the car. The car itself didn't have 16 valves. I'd been lucky if it had 4. But yeah, oh, I feel like I'm on top gear. Need a camera up there, not just a camera there. But yeah, that's been the test drive of a Nissan Micra. Oh my good God, it's freaking cold. But now I have to try and get this out. I might need 2 hands. Actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be, and ta-da! Both done. I've got the brand new bulbs in, a lot lighter than what they were. Now it's the wiper blade. Turn down, the moment of truth. Has my wiper blades worked? Beautiful. So much better than what it was. Thank you. Yeah, eventually.
Oh, I knew you would.
80th century here, it'll be his 5th of this year's championship.
Oh, how the birds.
Have you took one of the Christmas tree?
Yeah, that was on my
When
video
it's
the
on?
other day.
When it was on?
Yes, that was on my video the other day when I was here.
Was it on?
Yeah.
Respect all the best players.
What's that?
Pudding. Christmas pudding.
Right, I'm back home now, and now I'm going to try some what Kerry give us from down there. I've never heard of it before. A butter pie. Which to me, I actually just thought it was butter.
No, of course it's
Well,
not.
I know it's not, but that's what I thought.
Isn't the pastry... Oh, I don't know.
No, it's just potato with butter in.
Ah, right.
That's what I think she said. And apparently it's supposed to be divine.
It will be nice. Out of 10?
It's nice.
But it needs gravy.
It needs gravy.
That's what
You
it is.
Southerners get some gravy. No, it's alright. To me, I mean, I don't really eat pastry out like that anymore, which you will probably found out because the amount of times he's offered us pie or pasta. Yeah, no, I'm alright. So out of 10, we'll go for a 5.
Oh, you let them down. If it had gravy on.
If I had gravy, it would have been a 10 out of 10.
Oh,
Get the Yorkshire pudding wrap made.
This. Look, the winter, the sun is low down,
Yes.
so when you go out driving, sunglasses are perfect.
And that is recommended by the police.
Yes, that is why sunglasses should be
It's the sound of the
sold all year
police. It's
round.
the sound of the police.
They should be sold all year
Hello.
round, in my
Oh, no.
opinion, not just summer.
So and your mummy.
Right, let's go. You've got to be back soon anyway if you're driving.
I know, what time is it now?
We're entering Sunderland's Christmas market. Will it be a scratch on Manchester's? I don't know. Can you see anything yet? What? I see a sleigh. Wow! Look at Sunderland's Christmas market. There's a sleigh.
This is very exciting.
Wow! We've got a flame. So that's the burger shack. Very good, nice and fancy. I mean, to be fair, this is pathetic. It's like the whole bottom experience, isn't it? Where it's like, Eddie, this is disgusting. To carry on with the building tour since I'm back in Sunderland. Look at that. So in Manchester, all I was doing is taking photos and pictures of buildings and videos of buildings, because the buildings at Manchester East are unreal. That's a little bit better than what outside. Yeah, wow. Is he? Oh, reception going on. Filming. Nomination Italy. Wow. And la. Finished. What? TK Maxx, my old work. Oh yeah. TK. What? Right. So. Ah, looks nice, all that. Very nice.
I loosened it for you.
Bop. So that nice, Reese? The Belgian white chocolate lemon and shortbread. And having your pizza?
No, not yet. I'll probably have when I get back.
Wow, 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 wow.
Don't know if I can send it in somewhere to get it looked at. But then I
Geekies.
don't have the money for it as well. I have to get it fixed if it could be fixed. Are you recording now?
No, yeah, not now, no. You've got that.
So you were. Bye.
But then the thing is, you need to ask for a price.
Maggie is a Dua. A Dua Lipa remix, what the heck? Fist bump. But a bit of Inception. Well, not Inception really. I've got me there editing yesterday's video. I've got me there watching the day before's video, Manchester Christmas Market. And then you've got me here. 3 Jimmys, that means one bad thing can happen. Oh, but I'm in here with the cat, getting her warm, watching my video because I've never watched it yet. My laptop's just went off. Hopefully it hasn't turned itself off. Hopefully it just went into sleep mode. That's sleep mode. That'll be uploaded. It's supposed to be uploaded for 5 o'clock. That's not going to happen. No. No. Wow.
Bless her.
What are you doing?
All tucked up.
Hey?
How cute.
Can't see me at all. Oh, yeah, hang on. Didn't see me eye. I'm currently out working with my dad. So hopefully I can get some free food later. They're nice colours.
Yeah, blue and red. And cyan.
And again, that was that. That was another day done. Shopping with Reese. Work out with my dad. Out at night time with my dad. And now it's Saturday. And I must start today's. So thank you for watching. I don't like this today. Ooh, that's better. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Today. Ciao, man.